exercise 13.3. Now question number 2. So these days we have started a right circular cone. So the formula for cone, all the formula to be kept ready, like volume of a cone, total surface area of a cone, and curved surface area of a cone. So these are the formula. First we need to memorize and then apply it. So here question number 2. Read question number 2. So here find the total surface area of the cone if its length height is 21 meter and diameter of its base is 24 meter. So here diameter of the base is given 24 meter. So from the diameter we will find out the radius of the cone. So radius of the cone, radius R is half of the diameter, that is 24 by 2 meter, that is 2 1 to 2 12 meter is the radius of the cone, and given slant height is 21 meter. Slant height we denote by the letter L. Slant height we denote by the letter L, that is 21 meter. Now we need to find out the total surface area of the cone. The formula for total surface area of a cone is pi r plus L. Total surface area of the cone. Total surface area of the cone is pi r plus L. So value for pi is 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 12 and radius 12 plus L. Slant height which is 21. So it is being area meter square. So here 22 into 12 by 7 into 12 plus 21 33 meter square. So we need to multiply and divide it. So 33 into 22. 33 into 22. 2 3 are 6, 6, again 6, 6, 12, 1 carrying 7, 26. Now we need to multiply it by 12. 2 6 are 12, 1 carrying 2 3 are 4 plus 1 5, 2 6 are 2 7 are 14. And multiplying by 1 now, 6, 2, 7. 2, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 carrying 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Now we are getting 8712. 8712 divided by 7 meter square. Now we need to divide it by 7. Dividing by 7. 7 1 is 7. That 7 is coming down. 7 2 is 14. 3. That 1 is coming down. Getting 7 4 is 28. 28, 3, 2, coming down, then 7 4 is 28, 1, 2, 4, 4, 5.57 meters. So here it cannot be seen, I think. So we'll write it upside. The division I hope you all are understanding. So here write 124.57 meters. So this is the answer for question number 2. Let's move to question number 3. Question number 3. Curved surface area of a cone is 308 cm square and its slant height is 14 cm. Find the radius and TSA of the cone. So here it is given. Given here slant height 14 cm, slant height Slant height generally we denote by the letter L, which is 14 centimeter. Slant height is 14 centimeter. Curved surface area is 308. Curved surface area of the cone, which is 308 centimeter square. So here curved surface area formula is pi RL, pi RL. So this is 308. From here one value will take out, radius will get from here. Then pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is unknown into slant height, which is 14. 308. 7 2 is 14. Therefore radius is 308 divided by 22 into 2. Cancellation by 11. 11 2 is 22. 11 2 is 22. 8 left. Then 11 8 is 2. 14. 7 yeah. Therefore, the radius is 7 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the base R is 7 centimeter. So this is one of the answers. Now second part, we need to find out the total surface area also. TSA of the cone. So TSA of the cone, pi R plus L. So this part we have to learn. So total surface area of the cone is, therefore TSA, total surface area of the cone, pi R plus L. Pi 22 by 7 into radius is 7. 7 plus slant height is 14. It is being area centimeter square. Now we need to calculate it. 7 cancelled, getting 1. Then 22 into 7 plus 14 is 21 centimeter square. Multiply and get the result. 22 into 21. 2, 4, 2, 6, 4. 462 centimeters. So this is the complete answer for question number 3. Okay, thank you children for watching and learning. We'll meet you in the next class.